Hey everybody, it's Neil, and today I have this professional battery for a Dyson V8 or SV10, and I'm going to show you guys what it looks like and how it'll work. So just kind of explain it for you. Oh, besides the battery, it comes with the whole kit. So you get an extra filter. So this is the filter for the Dyson. You get the other filter. This is the filter that goes in the in the collector, whatever. This is the one that goes in the back of the wand, I think. It comes with the whole apparatus that you screw on there. That's pretty nice. And then in here we have the battery, and we get a little, and this is what the battery looks like. So if you've seen them, sometimes they're like screwed on and stuff, so you gotta unscrew it. So you've got the little screws right here and here. It comes with the screwdriver, and it even comes with extra screws, which is nice. So you've got screws there. Is there a third screw? I don't even think there is. But you take off the old screws, take it off, put the new battery in, and look at that. It's already charged too. You're good to go. So that's kind of the battery tester. When you're plugged in, you can push the button. And to start it. So pretty cool. So it comes with that. It's a 7,000 mAh battery. So it's going to be a great replacement for your Dyson. Got, basically identical to the original. So it's EGR. I guess that, I don't know if that's the brand or what. It says it on there. Yep, EGR. It says it on the box right there. So very cool. So this is good. So you can basically get your Dyson going back to as good as new again with a good new battery. So I'm going to say this is nice to have. Going to go put it into the Dyson that we have, and you can, that's the way the charging goes in there. So really cool. So thumbs up. Very nice to have a Dyson battery, professional battery. It's for the V8 SV10. So, awesome.